Well, guys, I got a new camera. Yes, I know I'm not wearing my helmet because I'm not on my bike, obviously. I'm waiting for a little deal I need to be able to mount this camera on my helmet because I'm going for the chin bar mount. And it's been what I did is I picked up a GoPro Hero 4 Black. Yes, I finally got a GoPro. Yes, it's an older one because they're cheaper now and I don't need all the fancy stuff that the newer ones can do. This can record just as good. And yeah, it's more than or less than half the price of the new GoPros. So I've got it set at 1080p, 60 frames a second. I was going to do 120 frames a second, but there's really no need right now. But yeah, I got a new helmet. I no longer work at McDonald's. I started my new job today, making a lot more money, and I'm not stuck working at nights anymore, and I have weekends off, which is nice. What else? Yeah, like I said, I got this GoPro. I got a few mics for it. I've got the adapters. I got the camera, the case. I've got a new helmet. I got myself a Scorpion EXO R420. Put a gold mirrored visor on it. And like I said, the chin bar on it on the front has such a steep point, I can't mount this flush. So I've got to put the actual mount off to the side and go and use brackets to come around to the front. And I was missing a few pieces, and I went and looked at Walmart to see how much the GoPro mounts, the adapters and that are. And it was like $30, as in 30, for the ones I needed. And I only needed 2 pieces. I'm like, really? And I also looked at the another set that was like $20, and I'm still like, that's pointless. And I wasn't really big on the way it looked, shape wise, because if I had to do it that way, I would. But when I looked online for the pieces that I need to bring it to the front, I found a curved one, which I have a curved one. It came with a curved one, but it's really long. And I think it would have just looked goofy having a bar running halfway around the helmet. So I ordered one it's like 3 inches or so. So I won't have to piece together a bunch of stuff to mount it. It also came with the head rig. That's what I'm using right now, along with the mic and the adapter. And yeah, it's so far the footage has looked pretty good. I tried to do a video the other day, put one together the other day, but I didn't like the settings and that, so I had to fiddle with it a little bit. So once I do get it on my helmet, I'm going to have to find a I'm going to have to probably play with mic placement. I have an idea where I'm going to put it, but I'm not 100% sure because these mics seem like they pick up audio very well. I can't remember. I think it was Jake the Garden Snake's videos. He was showing off the Sony microphone. It was a stereo mic. It's a Sony. And I got 3 of them. That way I have one for the head rig, or when it's not on one of my helmets, and then I got one for the new helmet and one for my bell. So yeah, I mean, I really like the way the footage is looking. So let me know what you think. Do you like the video now? Do you like the audio now? Granted, yes, I'm not on my bike. I've got to get it mounted on there or on that helmet once I get that piece in. But yeah, let me know in the comments.